Epoetin Alfa, the first biosimilar, in fact the only biosimilar in the United States version of this, was approved nearly 2 years ago. And it was based, as I indicated, largely on the preclinical work and pharmacokinetic, pharmacodynamic data in healthy volunteers. They did run 2 large phase 3 trials, but in patients with chronic kidney disease, not in cancer patients. So in actual fact, the only data on cancer patients with Epoetin Alfa biosimilar is observational, not randomized controlled trial data. Now it turns out that this drug is also available in Europe, known as Epoetin Zeta. It's essentially the same molecule, but it's been approved in Europe, and there they have done large phase 3 trials in patients with cancer, showing non-inferiority to the originator, Epoetin Alfa, no safety concerns, no immunogenicity concerns. So the FDA was willing to accept the data from the same drug in Europe, plus demonstration of safety and efficacy in advanced kidney failure patients in the US, and say this should work the same for supporting patients with chemotherapy-induced anemia. That indication has not nearly as frequent as it used to be. A lot of concern was raised a few years ago. So the use of these agents as opposed to transfusions has fallen off in the US, but nonetheless, to have competitive biosimilar versions to lower the pricing of these drugs hopefully will work to the advantage of patients in the overall healthcare system.